Oh, red.
Your tire's extremely dangerous.
There's now more fruit and more nuts in Tesco newsletters at no more cost. Well, when everybody's feeling a bit gloomy at the start of the year, at least we can give you a better start to the day. Tesco, every little helps. Do you come back from holiday fitter or fatter? Are you a night owl or early bird?